The Treehouse IPO is a fairly interesting IPO, although a small one. The plus points of this company clearly are the fact that they are in a fairly nascent space, which is highly potent, and they are in a business segment that's highly scalable. Both the preschool segment as well as the pre-primary segment, that is, as well as the K-12 segment, are both fairly nascent segments in India, although the competition is intensifying. On the flip side, when you look at the same point, you would see that the entry barriers are low, and which is the reason why newer players are likely to get in, and the existing players are all on expansionary mode. If you look at the fact that this industry is an unregulated industry, there could be the possibility of government intervention coming in at some point in time. When you look at the financials, a couple of things surprise you. They're more than 50% of their outstandings have been outstandings for more than 6 months, which, given the nature of the business, is a trifle surprising. When you look at the audit report, you find a few qualification remarks, which again raises some doubts. Part of the issue proceeds goes towards buying property which is being sold by the promoters. Notwithstanding all this, there's definitely a scalable business. I think where the investment bankers have gone wrong is engaging the market conditions, because the pricing as it is today looks at trifle stretched. If you look at a forward PE multiple of 30 plus and a price to NAV of over 2 times, by no yardstick can that be called a fair pricing given the market conditions. Having said that, we have seen a trend of some of these smaller issues listing well and lasting for a couple of weeks. The listing pop lasts. It may well happen with this issue, but for this kind of price to sustain over a longer period of time, I think you need a stable market, and that is what is missing today.